Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. The price line of SLP has dropped at the lowest support ever in its history. And in today's video, I want to discuss the next target and how much big this move can be. And before starting the analysis, by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you this very important support and resistance level. And the SLP is moving in this support and resistance level since the month of September, when a very big move of Shiba Inu was started in the month of September. And why I'm talking about the Shiba Inu move here, because this move is very similar to the move of Shiba Inu. If you are following my videos on Shiba Inu from May 2021, you can see that since May 2021, the price line of Shiba Inu was stuck between the support and resistance of the support was at point 000055 and 5 times 0930, and you can see that after the month of May, the price line was entered here, and in the month of September, the price line broke out this resistance. And I told you that from here we can expect a very big move, because this is a key resistance for Shiba Inu, same as like the SLP also has the key resistance. I'll tell you what is the key resistance for SLP in today's video. Now I'm just going to play the chart. And by the way, during this move, the price line has been forming the different harmonic moves as well. And I've been sharing with you every harmonic move that the price line has been forming during this move between the support and resistance levels. And finally, I need to play once more. And you can see that the price line broke out this resistance here at the end of September. At the starting of October, the price line broke out this resistance. And this was more than 1500% rally from point 5 times 055 to point 000088. And before this breakout, the price line also formed this final harmonic move, that was the harmonic bullish reversal shark move. And I told you guys that this is the perfect formation of the bullish reversal shark move, and in order to complete this final leg, the price line can again test the support, because it was supposed to move here between 606 to 529. And after playing the chart, we can observe that the price line completed this leg here and reversed bullish, and that was more than 1500% move. Now let's take a look at the SLP move. Right now we can see that the price line of SLP has a very strong support at 6.14 cents, and the price line found this support here in the month of May 2021, when the price line of Shiba Inu was entered in this support and resistance zone in the month of May 2021. And you can see that we have a very strong resistance at 10 cents. Previously, this 10 cents has been working as a strong support here, and right now it is working as a very strong resistance. Here we had a very long spike up to 13.6 cents, but the price line was failed to close above this resistance level and drop down, and so far it has moved up to 6.24 cents. That is a really very close to the support of 6.14 cents. So it is possible that it will move a little bit more down to test the support, or maybe it will be reversed to the upside from here. However, a bullish reversal setup is completed, because we are at the very low support, and that is a very valid support, where you can see that SLP never ever, even in the worst situation, broke down this support of 6.14, and at the same time it has formed a very big harmonic bullish reversal bat move on the weekly time frame. You can see that this buying zone starts from 10 cents and goes to 6.14 cents. Right now the price line is very end at the very end of this buying zone. Therefore, we can take maximum profit from this trade, and our stop loss will be below this support, below this maximum extent of this potential reversal zone, that is 6.14, and we can set our stop loss below this level. And our targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence, are from 21.91 cents and goes to 34.39 cents. However, it can be also a kind of Shiba Inu's move, like Shiba Inu started a very massive rally more than 1500%. SLP can also do the same thing. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.